it has the size, but it's not talking about anything other than that for real. Mm. It said the volume is
Order
48
filled.
on the NES. The NNQ has a volume of 481. I don't understand. The Russell is not even that expensive, and there's only eight. Dude, is this for real? Is this how bad the volume is?
Six people trading.
The Russell. That's so funny.
That is hilarious, actually. uh, oh man,
Just want to know what the conventions are like.
it just seemed
Yeah, well, whenever it gets going, yeah,
it just
just
seemed
wait.
like it was a bad launch on their part.
They should have already had like the market makers already for these products, man, because
Yeah,
it's yeah, like you just said, it's a bad look.
like yeah, at least so you can exit your trades, like because you don't want to be in a situation where nobody,
Just on the other side of your trade, yeah.
yeah, nobody's on the other side. So you're like, what do I do? I'm stuck in this position.
And I can't get out. I'm slipping. I'm falling. I can't get out. The bid is slipping. It's falling. You can't get out. Mm. Yeah, so they don't even have the commission and fees on this thing. And that's why so I asked my AI tool, why they had such a bad launch and where the market makers are. What this AI tool explained is that because they're not or commission and fees set in stone, how can these big institutions begin to add this to their books when they don't know how much they're risking per trade on when they put on a contract? I was like, you know what, AI tool, that may not be the truth, but that does make sense.
Be the truth, but damn it, it makes sense.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'll accept that because I was just looking at the commissions, and I mean, I'm not a big institution, and the biggest blocker for me would have been how much the commissions and fees were. So that's why I can accept it because before it even said that, that's what I was. Well, maybe it was reading my mind. Maybe it was listening to me or some shit. I don't know. Well, I mean, obviously our phones are listening to us, but maybe it just gave me the answer that I was looking for in the first place.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Tony? Well, the NNQ, at least on the 3 minutes, it's looking decent. I wouldn't trade it, but it's looking decent.
I thought I added it to my trading view watch list.
Would you give it a go?
I thought I added it. Not the way it's looking now. When it was like normal MNQ, NQ volume, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I'll try it out. I'll throw one con on
Well,
there. Even,
one contract, huh?
yeah.
Oh, big baller. Big
Just
baller alert.
trying to catch trying to catch 500 points to make $100.
I'm not gonna lie, that is kind of crazy though. That is crazy. 500 points on one contract. It's like I just caught 100, 500 points, and my reward for that is $100. But if you caught that same 500 points on a micro or on a mini, hmm,
How much was that? Oh, so that's $10,000 on one contract for a mini,
I'm going to assume so.
1,000 on micro. Yeah, you're right. I mean, it does look a little bit better. I'm on the 5 minute chart on trading view. Better than what it was earlier. I was like,
Yeah.
bruh. But yeah, it's not on the platform. It was earlier because I was looking at it. And I was like, this is not it.
This is not it.
That's funny.
This is not it. Yeah, you would make 10K on one mini on 500 points. And that'll be the first thing that probably go through my mind, and I'll probably switch it to a mini. Dang, damn it, I just made 500 points on one nano.
I could have made 10K.
Could have
Oh,
made
man.
10K on a mini.
Well, how many points did I catch? I had to have caught 500 points then in total. Not all at once, but in total,
Mm-hmm.
because that's a
Yeah.
thousand. I think about that
Hold on, how many contracts
sometimes.
are you trading?
I only trade in 1 to 2. I haven't gone over 2 contracts.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good, man. That's good. That's really good.
yeah. So I forgot when you add the contracts, that changes it. It doubles it.
Yeah.
So
And
truthfully,
honestly, I can. Oh, finish it up.
I was just gonna say, truthfully, I don't know how many points I caught. I just know I was in a flow state last night.
You're just putting on winning trade after winning trade,
Yeah,
banger after banger.
yeah.
Mhm. Mm. Well, I mean, after the stream, I took two additional trades. So one ended up being a loser, and it hurt my feelings. And then the follow up trade being a super winner, I caught this move right here for 10 points, and then it laughs in my face and goes an extra 10, 20 points back up to this high. But I had to meet consistency. So
Oh, I was gonna say, how's the prop firms dealing with the nanos? Nobody's trading them still.
nobody's even talking about him.
Oh wow.
Yeah, no one hasn't said anything. Apparently, well, actually, let me check because well, I already sent you the screenshot. Let's see if it's actually available. No, it's not available. That person lied to me. I'm a go and oh, actually, I'm not even on Top Step Brokerage. Never mind. I'm on Top Step X. Never mind.
So
And I'm not gonna log into my Top Step Brokerage account.
the 15-minute chart looks a little better than the 5 minute,
Oh, does
but
it?
I still getting gaps down on the 5 minute though.
Mm,
I'm thinking the higher time frame you go, it starts to look better and better, like more like a normal
yeah.
chart. Like the hourly looks good,
Oh, does it?
I guess.
Actually, let's go. Let's go up the. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. I guess the higher you go, yeah. The daily. Yeah. Yeah. It does look. Okay. Yeah. The higher you go, it does look like. All right. It's starting to look like charts.
Yeah, it
It's starting to
just
look like a chart that you can trade.
yeah, we just need
Would I
more
trade it
time.
though? Yeah.
But look how off it is. Yeah, we got to get this on track. Look at the nano
Hmm.
price. that's stuck at 116.
Oh, where's the regular Nasdaq at?
120, 121. I mean, so it's a few points off, but I'm just like, it's
Oh,
just stuck
that's
there.
interesting.
It's just sitting
Yeah, it's not even moving.
there.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, give it time. The people will
If you
come.
come back, you can blame it all on me. I was wrong,
Tell my
and I
people.
just wanna break even. Uh, I just realized that I was not connected to my. Uh,
If you build it, they will come. Tell my people.
yep, that's definitely true. That statement has so many layers. It definitely is, man. You build something, people will come. They will. I probably shouldn't have bought that. I probably shouldn't have bought that, but we'll see.
I want to
Hold on, my
see.
demon child is crying. Give me a second. What the hell?
See what this does at VWAP. I was gonna potentially buy VWAP, but it seemed kind of risky. Not trying to be so risky right now. Because if it breaks down VWAP, you can see further downside.
All right. Left, right to switch. All right. We'll see. I may have messed up here. I may have not. Should have bought that dip. I mean, it looked like it wanted to push higher,
You,
but I don't know. Are you
you,
considering buying that dip right there, back down to the 50% of the initial balance?
I was I had a limit sitting at VWAP, but I took it off or I moved it down because
I understand.
I don't know how price is gonna react here. I mean, it's looking okay, but I just want to wait and see how it reacts.
Mm-hmm.
And it took two separate trading sessions to make that.
To make the $1,000.
Yeah, I made like 200 yesterday, and then like an additional eight something. But I said I was just in a flow state. I was taking my profits. Uh, wasn't being foolish. Even in drawdown, I wasn't like being stubborn or anything. Wait for it to come back,
Mm.
get out, get a better entry. There was no ill will between me and the NQ.
She was like, "Oh, hold up! I'm not sending you on tilt because I did that to you. You're actually accepting it and turning in the direction that I'm going into. What? Mm, I'm not. I'm unsure. This is probably a bad trade. Uh, That this is probably a bad trade. I was hoping that we would get more of a reaction back in this bullish imbalance, but I guess not. I don't know if I should hold and hope or if I should just close for a small loss here.
Yeah, the market. I mean, what was it like 2 weeks ago, a week ago? The market was being. I think it was last week. It was being real. I don't know. Just like I was. I don't, if y'all had attended that one stream where I was in short, I remember it was at 2:05. I was in short at. I think it was. Like dang, he called it out. He called it
I
out.
remember.
Yeah, I think it was 30,205, and then MS just. I was in it for like hours. It felt like forever, and then I close out with some baby profit, and then as soon as I closed out, the market dumped. So,
Yep.
so off stream, I went till I was like, man, I gotta get that money back, that opportunity back. As
Mhm.
funny as it was just dumb. And I even told Sharon what I was gonna do, and he's like, "Bro, don't do that." And I did it anyway.
What a Sherm guy.
He's like, "Bro, don't do that. That's a bad idea." I was like, "No." And then I forgot what I was really dealing with. I didn't realize. I was like, "Damn." I stepped into the E Mini NQ, and I was like, "Oh shoot." It gets real. Oh
Yeah, when that
man.
P&L, that shit different. It's like,
Yeah.
oh shit, I've already down $700.
Yeah.
What?
Exactly. That mess disappeared quick. I was like, oh my gosh.
Hmm. Yeah, the Nasdaq don't play, man. Once she got you, like, dude, once she has you by the hand, if you don't let go, she'll drag you to the slaughterhouse, and she'll
Yeah.
say thank you for your sacrifice.
Yeah, man. So that's what happened on my last one. And I just deposited another 250.
Mm,
It hit last Friday, so I was able to trade Friday. I did trade Friday, not on stream or nothing, but I went completely break even, like exactly break even. But then I lost $1.88 in fees.
mm, mm,
So
yeah.
I was like, well, F it. I'll just have to wait till Sunday. Get in Sunday, did what I did, and now here we are.
Mm. Yeah, man, just keep it up, man. Hopefully, the Nasdaq isn't. I'm not saying that. Just don't allow the Nasdaq to fatten you up.
Yeah, it's. I feel like as as blasphemous as this sounds, I feel like every when the market is looking crazy or whatever, or it does something that I'm like, oh, like, whoa, this is weird, or it just completely shifts like it did. I just gotta step away and then get my mind around what just happened, and then come back and attack.
Hmm. You sound like a general. That's what you sound like right now. General Smith got 4 stars, 5 stars.
Wartime general. Because
Yeah,
in the
speaking of general, dude, I remember back when we was at Seymour Johnson, dude. I was this thing completely blew my mind. I was on the other side of Seymour Johnson. I don't know why I was there. I don't know why I forgot. But as I was walking down the street, I saw a four-star general riding a bike up the street in uniform. And I'm like, dude, what? What? Like, dude, what am I looking at right now? Full 4 stars riding
Either
his bike. But I think I was on the medical side, like the medical side of Seymour Johnson. I think he was like a doctor or some shit like that.
oh,
But dude,
he
he was riding a damn bike, and I was like, wow. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of made me start questioning what the hell I was doing. Because I was like, dude, this guy's a freaking general riding this bike.
either
What the
he
hell is he doing riding a bike for?
is either two
Blew my
things.
mind.
Either he really loves just riding his bike, or he got a DUI and couldn't drive, so he's forced to ride his bike to get around. I mean, I've
Oh
seen
man.
I've seen people hop on the bicycles for the love of the game, and I'm like, okay, I see you. It's
I just
either
love
that,
riding my bike.
yeah, get the exercise. It's either that or the DUI, because there's no other reason why you should be riding a bike on
In
base
uniform.
in uniform.
Embarrassing the United States Air Force like that. Had a young airman looking at you like, I mean, what should I do? Get riding this bike. Oh
And you
man.
remember the running joke, like everybody was buying a Charger or a Challenger, but he's like, you don't need
Mm-hmm.
that, young man, young airman. Just ride your bike.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't get that until you're older. It's like, man, damn it, I should have not bought that damn car. I should have really got me a damn bike. Because you know your whole check going to that damn car. Yeah, the entire check.
Exactly. Man, did I leave my water downstairs? Crap. Yeah, that's not. The dude actually got me like that with that Honda
What are you talking about?
because I bought it brand new. He's like, oh man,
Mm.
you can afford it. I'm like, you don't act like you know what's in my pockets. You got this,
It
man.
is actually, Alfred. It is. I should have probably took that break even.
Oh, you long? Oh, you on ES? You know, I don't F with ES still.
My pride is a saying. Yeah, uh, yeah, yeah. Like I said, I'm not gonna sit here and say that I totally dislike trading the ES, but if I want to get serious, if I had to choose one, it has to be the ES because the Nasdaq will take away weeks of work in one session, and right now, the kind of goals I want to achieve, I can't have that. So,
I mean, let me pose the question: is micro NQ really that bad? Can it do that kind
yes,
of damage
yes.
if if you manage your risk?
But we all know what it's and that's the trick. Uh,
Yeah.
that's the trick. That's what the Nasdaq does. It's like it's just micros. You can't handle that. You can't handle that, dude. As soon as she hits you in the face, and then that's when it's just micros. Let me just scale into it as she keeps going down, and then she does these little pumps, and you're thinking, okay, yeah, this is the pump. I could finally get my target, and then out of nowhere, she punches you in the face again. And by the time she gets done punching you in the face, your account's gone. And it's like, you know what? I spent the entire month building this account, being disciplined, getting in at good entries,
Yeah.
and just for the Nasdaq, just to run through areas of support and resistance, or do a random turnaround out of nowhere. Like I know a lot of people got caught right here. You got this big move down. Why the hell you're not able to short this shit? Why? Everybody got the shorts after everybody got stopped out because it was like, damn, we got a big move down. We got a fair value gap right there. We should be able to short this. And the NASDAQ just traded through it like it was nothing. She got the shorts. Everybody that got into this thing just for it to just kill everybody that was short with that leg, and then it goes short. This is the kind of BS price action that is like, you know what? You can do good, and then she does something like this, and then your account's gone because you're not even trading no more. You're just trying to get your revenge because she punched you in the face. So yeah, I can trade Nasdaq. We all know that, but man, I just hate starting over. I just hate that shit. I do. So
Yeah. And you know what else I
I say go.
realized? Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. No, I'm done.
I think I realized that I'm trying to, and I know there's not a race. Time is, I got time. Time is on my side. It's all I got. But I was kind of trying to find myself trying to repeat how fast I was able to grow like in the past. And that's also another thing that's like, nah, you can't do that.
Hmm.
Market conditions were different, just just make good trades and take your time. You don't gotta prove because the first time, like I said, my first experience with NQ, I was trading E minis with a 2K account. I deposited the 2K in there, not knowing like, I'm thinking this is normal. I don't even think I knew about micros at the time. I was like, NQ, okay, this is what I want. This is what I need. But I was winning
Hmm.
and winning and winning. So in a month of trading, I took that 2K account to almost 60K. And then that's when I started getting overconfident. And eventually, I think 2 weeks later, I blew up. How do you lose that much
Hmm.
money in like a span of two
Hmm.
weeks? I kept going on losing streaks and then, loss of confidence. It's like, dang, what happened?
Yeah.
I was seeing thousand, 2,000, 3,000, $4,000 days a day in a day, real money. I'm like, bro, and I blew up.
I'm rich.
Yeah, blew that up. And then I think that's when I went to props for a little bit, and then that other one was crazy. The 500 to 30K in like 2 weeks. So that the time frame thing kind of f's with me. So I just kind of got to tell myself to like just chill out. You got time.
Yeah. You literally got until the last day here. You literally got that.
Yeah,
You got enough time.
yeah.
I should have got out, man. It gave me like 10 chances. Mm.
I wonder what it.
Yeah. My thing is that I absolutely hate, and the reason why I won't go with the micros is because I want to trade the way I want to trade. I hate risking more than I can make. I hate that so much. That's why I don't like trading the options, the spreads, and that's the probably the biggest reason why I moved away from it. Because you got to risk $500 to make like two sometimes, and that
Mm,
doesn't even make sense to my brain.
yeah.
But when you risk 500 to make two, 9 times out of 10, you're going to make that $200. It's just my brain is stuck on what happens to that one time when Trump says something or the market exceeds and go across your strikes. Yeah, I can close it, but damn it, by the time it goes past your strikes, you're already down like $200 or $300, and you're like, fuck, I don't want to close this. Don't want to close it.
Yeah.
That's my biggest thing. Honestly, I feel like, and then I don't want to take profits. I want the whole entire move. I can't accept not getting a big portion of the move. Can't accept that. I don't want to accept that, honestly, to be completely honest.
Yeah. I think with when I was doing the e-minis, I had more of a scalper's mindset because I wouldn't hold for big moves. I mean, unless yeah, I didn't really hold back then for big moves. I was more like, all right, you get in, get your money, and get out because this can go sideways at any moment. That's what I kept thinking,
Hmm.
not knowing the information and knowledge that I got now. But I was just like, yo, get in, get out. Get in, make like 200 bucks. All right, boom, I'll take it. Let's look for the next trade. Get in. Oh,
Dang,
it's another 200. All right, I'm out.
dang. And then let me guess, it compounded over time, and he was able to grow your account.
Yeah. I mean, until I started making, as, as the account balance grew, I started taking riskier trades and, I started seeing
Hmm.
$1,000 a day, $2,000 a day. I was like, yo, all right, I think I got the winning formula here. 3,000, 4,000, 5. I'm like, yo.
Hey, Q, please get off your knees. Oh my God, baby, relax. Baby, relax. Damn, girl, you got it. You got it.
Oh man. Like, oh, you want me to relax? Okay. So wait, that your
Right.
ch- your chart that you have on there now, that's not trading view, that's the one you told me about,
No, this is TradingView.
but you can
It's
put
just the
oh, the indicators get put on there or they have the levels.
yeah, this is the they have like a TradingView indicator where it doesn't update as frequently as the web application, but
Uh,
honestly, it does its job. Like I showed you in the screenshot earlier. Uh, I guess I mean, obviously the levels change throughout the day, I guess, but you can kind of see that the market literally responded to these put levels, and the market basically uses them as support and resistance. Now, obviously, you kind of have to kind of wait and see what they do at them
yeah,
because I mean you don't know which one is going to respond to, but
yeah,
I mean you have a good idea of which one after it starts to move, and yeah, I mean so far so good on this. Uh, it was only at $170, and I have it for 3 months. So uh, you can kind of see that like I'll just use these levels as like confluence. Like if I'm already thinking about getting into these areas, I'll just get in at these levels because now that I understand why the market is bouncing at these levels,
mhm.
and I'll trust them a lot more, and I'll be able to start positions at these levels.
I should have got in that VWAP. It was looking a little sketchy though. That
Yeah, with the deceptive price action. Yeah,
yeah.
So honestly, I have a rule now. I have to take the trade now. I have to, regardless of how I feel about it, because obviously how I feel is wrong. So if my setup shows itself, I have to take it, regardless if I win or lose or not. And I'm finding it surprising how many trades that I win when I say that it's wrong. Really goes to show something. Hmm. I guess this was a good situation. I was just up $200. I could have took that and be like, all right, next on to the next trade. But I don't do that. That blasphemy. Oh yeah, I was telling Alfred. I was like, man, y'all must have had a mega sermon on this past Sunday at the church of taking profits, because I was like, man, our boy Smith took the profits and flipped long and got more. What? What was y'all preaching at this past Sunday's service session? I had to take his bear card away. You didn't stubbornly hold it and, until it hit your stop loss, and you didn't try to revenge trade it back down short. What?
Absolutely not. I knew
You
once,
actually took profits?
yeah, once the price action showed otherwise, that this ain't going down any further. All right, boom, exit. You catch some of this long.
What? What? Nah. Yeah, I had to take this man's bear card away. That's not how we operate. We stubbornly hold.
Told you,
Either we get what we want or we liquidate our accounts. I mean, that's how we do it.
I'm not a part of that lifestyle anymore.
What?
That bear lifestyle.
Being a bear ain't easy.
It ain't. You got people like Burry that hold through. What was he down? 20 something, 40 something percent? Still holding?
Yeah, that's Papa Bear right there.
I know I'm right. It'll
I
come.
know. Yep. I know. Yep. Those are the exact words right there. I know I'm right. And that's what fuels every bear. I know I'm right. That's gold, man. That is absolute gold. I know I'm right. The
It's gonna flip in my direction.
market ain't gonna trick me. That's gold.
Sitting through that pain.
You know what? That's actually something, dude. Without that, like, you get so used to the pain. Like when you're actually in a winning trade, an easy trade. Do you feel like something's coming around the corner?
I can tell you this. I'm more comfortable in my longs than in my shorts now. Like when I take a short, man, it's usually a struggle to stay in the position because
Yeah.
I don't know, shorts just don't react the same anymore. They just don't do their job. So I'm like, okay, well at least I've come to realize that. And I'm not still stubborn like how shorts used to be, where you could catch like 200 points on a good short and then be like, all right, I'm vindicated. I feel good. You feel good about that. You don't even want to turn around and catch the long that goes like an additional 400 points.
Yeah, I struggle to get these 50 points to get vindicated and then miss a 400-point pump. Yep. Yep. That's that bear lifestyle for you. It ain't easy.
it, it ain't easy. Yeah, I realized how foolish that was.
Yeah.
But yeah, I totally effed up when the market flipped bearish. I was just like, yo, what? Not getting. I mean, we're kind of still in that area of bearishness, like overall. But and then yo, were you trading this morning at the open?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
I missed that dump. I was sleeping.
I bet.
That
I was
messed.
like, dude, Smith sent me a message at 1 o'clock in the morning. I know he ain't
Yeah.
up.
I was too busy trying to catch these moves at night or in the morning. Um, I completely missed that. I was like, no way.
Mm-hmm.
Dang. The one time I should have been available. And I was in short. The worst part about that, I was short.
Where were you?
I was in short at 29, 291. I meant to get in at 300, but I ended up settling for 291. And I was like, well, I could have held that whole throughout the whole night and been good. But you know how that go. I'm like, I ain't trying to be have nightmares dreaming about the position.
Waking up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't gonna go to sleep and sleep peacefully with no Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Uh, Interesting. I don't know. Nope. Yeah, the ES straight up missed one of my limit orders this morning, like by a tick too. I was like, damn, ES is like that. And I missed that entire short to the downside. She missed me by a tick.
Dang.
I thought to myself, I thought we were better than that, ES. I thought we were better than that.
But yeah. Yeah, those are the type of shorts that I was used to. Just yeah, just complete dump, maybe a small pullback and then dump some more.
Hmm.
It's hard to find that now, at least for me.
Yeah, I think they did that purposely because they know that a lot of us bears are chasing the dragon at this point. We're not even trading. We're just trying to get that dragon. That's all we're doing. We're just trying to capture the dragon. That's
Yeah.
it. And they know it, and that's why they continue to do it to us. And we just allow them to do it. Just allow them to do it. And well, yeah, I did my best. I wasn't able to capture that move. Like it literally just missed me by a tick, and I couldn't believe it. I couldn't
Wow.
believe it.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah. And if I left my limit there, it would have filled my order and then ran straight to my stop and super hurt my feelings. So a good thing I took the damn position off. I think it was I got some China news and then that's where we got that pump.
Oh,
But I was able to catch that pullback though. I was able to get that. So I guess. But I mean, so far so good with the ES. I'm adjusting to it. I don't trade with the cortisol anymore. I don't trade. Honestly, I haven't thought about revenging in a very long time. That was the biggest thing I noticed when I started trading the boring ES. It's like, dude, it's so crazy how the toxic girls will make you do all kind of crazy things out of character, but then the boring ones where you're like, oh yeah, whatever, bitch, come on, let's go. You don't even care about them. It doesn't matter what they do. It's like, oh yeah, whatever. Like I haven't revenge trade. If I take a loss on the ES, it's like, okay, well, I'm actually trading professional. Like, where did I go wrong? Did I measure off the wrong leg? Was there a range that I missed? Was there like a bullish imbalance? Where did I go wrong? Instead of blaming it on, the ES itself. So, I mean, I guess, I guess.
yeah.
know, that's what I'm like at ES. Yeah, there we go, baby. There we go.
Dang.
And that's why I take the trade every time I see the setup because didn't this shit feel bearish? Didn't it feel like super bearish?
Yeah.
The market was super bearish like 10 seconds ago. Then it kicked all the bears in their chest. Like, this is why being a bear is just so dangerous nowadays. Because the market definitely makes it feel like you're right. Like, you know what? Yeah. Like, have you ever thought about that? Like, the market is like attacking bears personally because they know that bears are automatically stubborn and I know I'm right. And it makes them feel like they're right. So they get in, they stack onto their position, they
Yeah.
add to their position, and then they use it as fuel to go the opposite direction. And they just continuously do that, the bears.
Yeah.
And then bears do the same old bear things. I'm gonna get my revenge by blowing my account. That'll learn the market. That'll learn it. I'm gonna blow my account. Hmm. So we'll see what happens here at 680. If the market breaks above this, we'll see what happens. Yeah, it looks like the market is trying to come in at this put wall on both the ES and the NASDAQ. They're in the same general area. Yeah, they're in the same general area. And coincidentally, it's this put wall 2 on the ES and put wall 2 on the NASDAQ. And you can just see them coming in at that area right there. So maybe I should have taken profits at that put wall. Maybe. Maybe I should have taken it. We'll see though. We'll see. I mean, as long as it doesn't stop me out, uh, I will endure the back and forth in order to get a profit target here. But as long as it doesn't stop me out.
Same tree I had before. Yeah, I closed. I was long. I closed out because, like you said, it looked bearish. I was like, eh, I'll take whatever. I made $7 on it. I'm just like, yeah, all right, $7 and twelve
Yeah.
cents.
I mean, if you keep doing it like that, Smith, I mean, you can definitely get back to that number.
Yeah,
Well, I hate to say this, but we just had a doji candle, and we know the following candle is usually an expansion candle.
you can you can save your profit, take some of the profit, reposition. You know, that is still an option for you. I know you don't want to hear it.
Damn, Smith, when did you learn Spanish? You've been taking classes? Like,
I'm
when
speaking
did you learn Spanish?
speaking Spanish to you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we're gonna probably see that expansion candle is always after a doji, and that's the crazy thing too. I know it. I know it's coming, and for whatever reason, I still have that Nasdaq hope. Years of trading the Nasdaq, the hope never goes away. I hope.
Yeah.
The Nasdaq hope. But we'll see, man. We'll see.
Yeah. I don't. Yeah, I don't think it like completely tapped you up again. I don't know.
Well,
There. I
I
don't.
guess
I don't think it reverses and goes down. I don't think it. Maybe it's trying to shake people out.
Well, I mean that hourly candle, even though it's a red candle, it's more bullish than bearish, even though it's a red candle.
Mm.
Or on the ES. Actually, let me take this off because I don't want to see it on higher time frames. It just looks stupid. Don't want to see it on higher time frames. Okay. Yeah, the hourly candle. The ES is looking bullish. But I mean, obviously it's barcoding, but it doesn't look like it wants to drop anytime soon. But it doesn't mean that it won't drop.
Okay, now is the moment. I'd be very sad if it did drop, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
It just runs through my limit.
Are you thinking about going short?
No. Well, I wasn't. I wasn't, but
Tonight's gonna be a good one. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Yeah, I don't want to see this on the. All right. I mean, we do have some imbalances. Well, yeah. Well.
damn, it might. Oh,
Probably should
shoot.
have just took that short. You said what?
I think it might. Wow.
It does look super bearish right here. It does look like it can just run the liquidity underneath that low and go lower. It does look that way, doesn't it? But we all know as soon as you get in short, then that's when all the bullish pressure comes in. Yeah, it's like where did all this bullish pressure comes from? Just
Yo,
short.
yo, I had to zoom in. That must have missed my limit. Did not fill my limit at VWAP. I had to zoom in to see how many how many ticks it missed me by. Two.
Dang. Our boy Smith went short. He tried to go short.
2 ticks. Whoa, whoa, ah,
Order filled.
ah.
Another bad habit that I have to move away from is what's the point of paying for these tools just so I can be a stubborn bear and just ignore them just because they're in the way of what I want to do. Like, what's the point of that? Like, I have to ask myself, like, dude, why do you do that?
Yeah.
These tools work, and you sit here and just completely ignore them because they're telling you something that you don't want to see or hear. It's like, oh, sure, we're going short and get in. No, we're going long. But uh, price is under me. If price is under me, then it means that we're going to go lower. No, you're going to go long. Okay, Sherm. We try to give you an opportunity. We gave you 10 opportunities to get in short. And I want to cry because it touches my stop loss. But man, NASDAQ hope is powerful though.
Yeah.
Because I'm still NASDAQ hoping right now.
is the don't. Nah, I'm in long with you. I don't know if it's gonna work out or not. If VWAP will hold, but I'm in there.
You're in long.
So we'll see.
You're in that VWAP. Hmm. No, bears just didn't suck. I mean, that's the formula that they're using. They just know. They know. I guess they have the data. How can you trust bears when all they do is fail? Even when price action should be bearish, somehow the bulls pull something like this, or it was especially on the Nasdaq when the market pulls something like this, where you're making a lower low, taking out lows, and then all of a sudden the bulls come out of nowhere and price goes higher. Or when you get a big super drop like this, and then out of nowhere it's just super bullish. But mind you, it did bounce at this put wall from this morning. I think I sent this to you, Smith. I don't know. Did I send this to you? Maybe I did, or maybe I didn't. But it bounced right at
Yeah,
that put wall, and then we moved higher.
yeah. He sent it to me.
Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even. Yeah, well, I'm looking at the book right now. The book is definitely heavily bearish right now. Man, I don't know. What are you thinking right now?
I mean,
What are
it
you thinking?
is it is pretty suspect. I'm not gonna lie, but they had the opportunity. They have the opportunity here to drop it below VWAP and then flush this thing, but they haven't. And then I'm looking at ES as well. But the hourly candles now have kind of, at least to me, look like they're bearish. So I don't know. I want this to hold and go back up for another, test of the high, but my luck hopping in. He's long. All right, send it the other way.
Oh shit. Damn it. 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 Damn it.
Well, what happened?
All right. The expansion candle.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is real. Okay. I guess I should have taken profits at the high and flipped short.
Damn,
Oh, there goes that expansion candle right there.
damn. See, he's in. Oh, we got
Mm.
him.
Auction off. We got him.
We got
He went long at VWAP.
him.
God.
He thinks he's smart. We got
Try to play manipulative mind game, mental gymnastics with the market.
him.
Yeah. It's crazy, dude, because I knew this was going to happen. After the doji, there's always the expansion candle. Always. Always. I just don't trust shorts. All right, if given the opportunity, I guess I'll get out. You hear that, ES? If you give me the opportunity to get out at break even or with a little bit of profits, I promise I'll get out. ES is like, you had your chance. You had your chance. But we are seeing the market bounce at that 5 minute bullish imbalance on the ES though. Mm. Oh yeah, this thing can probably go down lower. This probably goes down a little bit lower. You think they'll probably try to dump this overnight while everybody's asleep?
I hope not while I'm in this long. Or let it pop back up, test the high, and then dump it again. Let me be a part of it. Might get a little pullback to
Let's
like
see.
120, maybe. I don't know.
Hmm,
20, 125.
that's interesting. They said that the ATR right now for ES is 4 points. That's insane. Why is it 4 points right now? That's insane right now. The ES is not even moving. Why is the ATR at 4 points? That's a lot.
Oh, is it?
At least on my Ninja Trader chart is saying that it's at 4.07, so 4 points basically. The ATR right now. ES, remember when I said I was going to get out at break even if you pop back up? I meant that. Pop back up to break even. And that's one thing about, I mean, I guess the NASDAQ kind of gives you break even too. But the ES don't trick you. I mean, it should don't make you feel like if you don't get out, you're going to miss the move, you're going to miss the pop. The NASDAQ likes to play with it. Be like, you want to break even? You want to gamble? You want to play a game? You want to play a game? If you get out at break even, will I pop or will I drop? Which one would I do? And if you try to chase me, I'll stop you out.
Yeah.
I should get out. I should.
You had break even too?
Yeah, it's getting there, but we'll see. It almost stopped me out though. It stopped me out by the hair. Oh, it almost. Oh damn! Literally missed me by a couple of ticks.
Oh wow.
Almost got me by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Nope. Nope. I'm okay.
Order filled.
Hmm. I have such a small stop on the ES. Well, it's not necessarily a small stop. It's a decent sized stop, but it doesn't. I mean, the thing about the ES and my stop, it doesn't make sense to reduce it. It doesn't make sense. If I was trading big size with ES, I would trade with a smaller stop because that's where the real power with ES is. Once I've become more comfortable trading the ES, I can start trading 5 minis and getting 2K, 3K, 5K days, just trading bigger size and looking for smaller moves.
Yeah.
But it just doesn't make sense because if I reduce my stop, I'm only saving like 10 or $20. So it doesn't even make sense to reduce my stop. All right, ES said, I showed you mercy. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, all right.
ES, why are you playing like that?
I added to
Why
my
you playing like
position.
that, ES? Why you playing like that?
I ain't gonna hold you. I added to my position. No, because I saw what it was about to. I saw ES and NQ what they were about to do. The
Uh-huh.
everything was kind of pointing that it's about to pop. So I was like, let me get another contract in on this just in case we rip. Shit,
Man,
let me
ES,
get you another contract.
you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
See, I hate putting stops so close to where my break even is. Like, because I use trailing stops. So that mess will be like 10 points away, pop up just enough, and then get me stopped out. And then go.
Yeah. Yeah. ES, what you doing, girl? What you doing? You know that's how I like it, girl. What are you doing? Ah, man. You know what? I'm holding. I know I said I was gonna get out. I'm gonna hold it. A red candle down.
breaking
A red candle down.
breaking your vows already.
You said, do I see anything longing or shorting? Not right now, man. The market is chopping.
Yeah.
The market is chopping right now.
It's like, I mean,
And
oh yeah, go ahead,
go ahead.
go ahead.
No, that's all I was saying that the market was chopping. That's all I was like, go ahead.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, it feels more bearish to me. I don't know. Like like this wants to drop down,
Yeah.
but for some reason they can't seem to do it. At least not right now. I would not be surprised if we get to a level higher and then we dump right back down. That would not surprise me at all. But I was aiming around IB, not necessarily IB high, but because we got to get over 200 now. 200 was kind of a struggle area. 200, 230. I can see us getting 220, 230, dumping if we do pop up that, well, yeah, if we break out past this high, I can see that happening.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the areas I'm looking at. It's heavy delta up there, negative delta. So yeah, and they usually, I don't know about you, but I've been seeing these price reacting off of these delta levels.
Yeah.
So that one's pretty.
Hold on.
That's
You talk about black box stock, right?
no, not that. The one on TradingView, that delta indicator.
Are you talking about from Luxago?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go, baby. There we go. Let's do it.
Girl, why you playing like that? Girl, why you playing like that? Girl, why you playing like that?
Should I take
You better
150?
not drop. Girl, why you playing like that? I don't know, man. Should I trail this or should I hold
I would put a stop. Yeah, there we go.
it?
I was about to say
There we go, baby.
I'd put a stop above break even, but hey, remove your stops above. This candle got motion right now, so let's see. And just like that, this is how I grew this account. I scale in when I see necessary to scale, and but I'm not going in more than two cons.
How the hell? So how the hell do y'all know how to know when to scale in? Because
I mean, it's
when I
tough.
scale into a position,
Hmm.
Yeah, when I scale into a position, my initial thought is like, damn, it's just gonna come back against me, and it usually does.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes, what you doing?
I know, right?
Go ahead.
Um,
Uh,
I mean, it's tough in real time. It's just in this instance right here, this scenario. I looked over at my trading view charts. I saw ES, I saw NQ. They were both given like, all right, we're about to pop. One of that wave indicator that I got, still pretty
mhm.
useful, comes in handy. All right, we might get a pop here. I mean, obviously it don't work all the time. Let's move this down.
Yeah, it'd be a bajillionaire, right?
Right.
Uh, mm. Damn, yes, you almost stopped me out and did that BS. I don't know where to put my stop at. I don't know where I should put my stop.
I know. So it what?
Mm.
Is that wall? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. There we go. I should probably, you know what? Let me
There we
scale
go,
out
baby.
one.
Oh no, I can't let you stop me out after that.
I gotta
We going
scale
higher.
out one. I gotta scale out one. Come on, baby. Don't
I'll
do
just put
it.
my thing right here.
Ah, don't do
I'll put it
that.
right there.
You think we breaking out above that wall, or we reject again?
I mean, if that shit comes down, then you can't let that shit come back down past your break even because that shit's gonna go down. We can't let that shit go past our break even.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so at the third. This is the third attempt.
Yeah, about third or fourth attempt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. You're absolutely right about that. There we go, baby. Ah! That's what I'm talking about. I just wish it was on the E Mini.
Uh-huh.
Come on, baby. Don't do me like that, baby.
Damn,
Yeah.
girl. You gotta start talking sweet to her. Damn, baby. Hey, whoa, hold your horses. Keep doing the way that you was doing it before. Don't We don't need you to do anything new right now. Keep doing that. Hold on.
Oh, it's got to break out though. It has to break out. Oh my gosh. Got these magnet orders right here. I don't like this. I don't like this right here. Don't make me do it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let this shit come back down. I got my stop locked and loaded.
No.
Uh,
Oh no. That's lame.
yeah, yeah, I can't let it come back down. Can't let it come back down. Yeah, because that looks like a wick, right? It looks like a wick. It is a wick.
Ah,
We all know what wick means.
I know. You gave me a chance to make $200. I know you did. But keep going higher, baby. She
She
has to
don't want
break
to
out.
though. Yeah.
Damn it, she has to break out. Because if not,
Mm, she's coming back down. I would target. Where are you targeting?
I don't even know yet.
Well, the next put level is at 205, so I would front run that.
205.
205 is put wall six. 250 is put wall one, the biggest one. So if it gets past 205, the market's gonna probably have a hard time getting above 250.
Yeah.
So I would front run that. if we get above 290, we'll leave a negative gamma environment and we'll go into a neutral to a positive gamma environment. We'll be above 290 is a neutral gamma environment,
Yeah.
and then at like 370 it'll be positive. But I doubt that it does all that tonight. I doubt it, but
Yeah. Especially when
yeah.
especially when you got the London session to deal with.
Hmm.
There's just perma bears at London session.
Oh, so you said I should be trading on the London session? Is what you're saying?
Yeah, go ahead and move to London.
Nope.
Take
I like going to
profit.
sleep.
Take profit at 207. Yeah.
205 is. I mean, I guess. I mean, you can take it at 207, but
No,
put
not
walls at
me.
205. So,
Not me.
uh,
Someone else in the chat. Ah, come on. We gotta break out though. This mess is making me nervous. Don't like this. Tick chart. Dang, I don't like that. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'll get out. Don't try me, NQ. I'll close this mess. I do not care. I'll close out and look for the next. So don't try me. Yeah, those uh those levels are pretty good though. The gammas. Oh my gosh, don't be like this.
yeah, I'm gonna make sure. I'm actually move my stop up. I'm not gonna let this come back because I already know that if this thing don't continue to push higher here, then it's not going to. It's not going to.
I just know if I put my stop here at
It's gonna come
150.
back and snatch it.
Yeah, if I put it at 150, it's gonna get got. It's gonna get taken.
Yeah.
So I got some.
Nasdaq is like, I'm just waiting for you to put your stop there.
I know, right?
I'm gonna need that.
And be like yoink, and then go.
I'm gonna need that.
Ah, come on, you could do it. Take this level out. Knock it out the park. There we go. Next one. Next. 165. Knock it out. Next.
On which.
There we go,
Well, we
baby.
should be good because that 15-minute candle just opened up towards the highs. We should be good. We should be good. Yeah, we should be good, bro. We should be good.
There we go, baby. There
And
we
this is what I'm
go.
talking about, dude. This is what I'm talking about. We were just crying about, man, it looks so bearish, man. Why are we long?
Hey,
Yeah.
in real, if we go back a few candles in real time, that mess did look bearish. I thought we were going to drop on that last push down. I was like, oh, shoot. Is
Hmm.
this the drop?
It almost stopped me out. Like, dude, the ES definitely almost just stopped me out.
That's crazy.
I would say by a couple of ticks.
Yeah.
Should I trail my stop here? Should I trail it? I'm definitely gonna get out that put wall. Probably front run that put wall for sure.
Yeah, I'm.
I actually go ahead.
I don't know. So I got to make this count because I won't be in tomorrow's session. I got an appointment, unfortunately, to
Mm,
go to. So I'm trying to make the best of this. We need a breakout candle though.
mm-hmm. I think this thing will go. And that's interesting because that put wall's at 680, and I'm looking at book map, and they're already building their positions. at 78, 80, and 79 on the ES. So if this thing pushes up a little bit more, I'm gonna try my stop.
I mean,
Trading nanos, I don't know. I don't ever recall saying that. I don't
I'm
recall saying that. I think I told the ES that if she goes past my break even, I'm a hold because I'm a G. I'm a G, and that she should just stop playing around and hit my target. That's what I remember telling her. Did you hear something different, Smith? You heard that too, right?
what are you talking about?
You heard that when I told ES that if she comes back to my break even, that I was gonna hold this shit because I'm a G, and that and no matter what she was gonna do, I was gonna hold it. You was understand that, right?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I remember that. Let's rewind the
Yeah,
tape.
yeah. That's exactly what I said. I wasn't begging ES to come back to my break even or anything like that.
Oh man. I'm gonna try to get 200. Let's see if we can get 200. He set the put wall. That level is
It's
at
at 205.
205. Yeah, I could spare 5 points. I'm cool.
Shit, you really got no choice. Either you get it at 205 or it may drop. So
That's why I'm
the
going for
choice
two.
is yours.
Yeah, that's why I'm going for 200. I'm like, okay, I could spare that. Then maybe I'll flip short. Who knows? Yeah. uh, change a character, break a structure.
Come on, baby. Keep on pushing to that level I know you're trying to get to.
Oh
Keep
my
on pushing, baby.
gosh. I know, right?
I know the Bears right now are crying right now, dude. They was like, dude, what the fuck? Man, this price action. What's going on, man?
I mean, you had big candles, but they just couldn't do anything with it after the big candle. And that's why I don't like shorting. You never know what you're going to
Man.
get from them.
Oh yeah, you know what you're gonna get.
Clapped. That's about it.
Yeah.
You're going to get
Without
clapped
your consent.
without consent. That's,
Clap without consent. Yeah. Just like that bull from Family Guy. It's like, yeah, I'm a breeding bull. Yeah, man, these bears. Mm, huh. Hmm.
oh, shoot, man. Hey, if this candle don't flip green, I think I got to get out because this could drop back down.
Why you say that? Why you saying that? Why you saying that?
Uh, the indicator, man, the indicator. ES needs to break out of
Okay,
this
saying something?
delta.
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot. I forgot. I turn mine off because sometimes it gets too big. Oh,
Yeah,
well, at
yeah,
least on the delta on the ES is pretty green.
yeah. It does. It does get messy with the charts sometimes. Oh, so it's positive. So we can break out of this.
Yeah, we can. It is a bunch of positive delta here. Yeah. And this thing is true, man. This thing is right. I use this as a support and resistance, and it works all the time. It works all the time, dude. So I definitely trust when this thing says that it is bearish or not.
Yeah. Well, I got my mouse over the gray button to close out. What I don't want to see from NQ is, that sweep down and then the push back up.
What? ES, just
gosh.
come on, ES, don't do that. Don't make me trail my stop. Don't make me trail my stop, ES. Oh, I gotta trail my stop, and I can't let this happen.
I mean, that's a smart thing to do. I think they might try to come for this liquidity right here at 157.50. Then maybe pop up. Yeah, that's probably what it's about to do.
Okay, I can accept that. I can accept that. No, no, ES, please, no, 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 please keep pushing higher. No, no, don't pull back.
Oh
No,
my gosh.
no.
I know, right? Then they moved it down to 152. Y'all playing games right now.
Damn.
Yeah, shoot. I might. Man,
I know, right?
it's like, well, can you
I'm not
withstand?
vindicated yet, man.
Yeah, can you withstand a drop if you think it's gonna continue? Uh,
Nah, I would get out and reposition. I would get out. I put my stop underneath that put wall that has been rejecting it, so hopefully it bounces there. All right, let me tell you where the Nasdaq put wall is. I think you should know by now though, but oh shit, it actually rejected at that put wall again. Hmm. It rejected at 165, and that's where that put wall that the Nasdaq's been having trouble getting over. Well, there's a put wall that it may bounce at. It may bounce at the 125 put wall. It
where's
may
that?
bounce there because it
Where
broke above it and it might push back above it.
where's that at on the chart?
125.
Oh, 125. Yeah, that would stop me out
Mm,
if it went down there. I ain't trying to have that. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I don't want to sit through a drop.
I'm not gonna
Uh,
sit there. I mean, if it stops me out, I'll be done for tonight. I'm gonna go to bed and then come back tomorrow. Just be happy about the money I made tonight. I guess.
yeah.
I guess. I'm not vindicated though, but I guess I'll try to be happy about it.
Okay. Ah, no.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
You had motion, ES. Motion in Q. How many points is my stop
Yeah.
away? So we got a high at 175 and my stop is at 143. Mind you, is trailing. So I'm that far
Hmm.
away.
I mean, that's where you should be at. I mean, trailing's so tight, and then if it stops you out and keep going, that means you have to get a worse entry. I mean, a lot of these trades play out. I mean, this is coming from someone that holds long trades all the time. These trades play out. If it's going in that direction, it's going to go into the next level. So,
Yeah.
yeah, baby. Come on. Like I said, I'm a target. I'm gonna try to front run that put wall as much as possible. I have 3 more points. I might get out at 79 or something. I might put my stop there once it gets past it. 'Cause it looks like it wants to, at least on the ES, it wants to go for 80. It wants to go for 80 on the ES. But there is a 5 minute imbalance, bearish imbalance, that's like right there, menacingly just sitting there. So I'm
Menacingly.
going to pay attention to that.
Come on, we could do
It's
it.
just sitting there menacingly. Mm, you know what? I'll let that one run, but I probably might just take out the entire position right there, the bigger position out right there. Yeah, I just put that in like front run. Yeah, I'll do that. I can live with that. I can live with that, and just let the other piece run. Bogdanov, he's managing his position like a professional risk manager. What do we do? Wick down. Don't feel his stop loss. See how much of a risk manager he's going to be after that. You damn right I'm not closing my shit. You damn right. That would be nasty though. We get a Trump candle. Text Trump. Tell him to tweet.
Tariffs.
Shit, we haven't had a dude. This whole push was because of tariff news this morning. It's so crazy, dude, that just he randomly talks about tariffs and all of a sudden the market has PTSD and just runs. Tariffs? Tariffs? Tariffs?
I think he
Tariffs?
just put what, a 50% tariff on Canada.
Yeah.
We had a deal going and then it fell through for some reason.
Yeah. I think I mean it's I mean Trump has done this so many times in the past where he has this outrageous number and then they come to the negotiating table and it's not outrageous after that. I mean, honestly, I'm surprised that the market still just kind of responds to the things that he says when we know that he's just bullshitting. I don't get it, but whatever.
He's a professional BSer.
It's like, dude, how many times are we gonna? How many times has this man cried wolf, and we're still running with our pitchforks and our flamethrowers, looking for a wolf that we know ain't there? Like, come on, man, he does this all the time.
Climb
But
higher.
I guess if the market doesn't respond like that, then Trump might just start doing some outrageous shit because he likes to see the market move like that. It's like, yeah, I'll just say something. They even named the candle after me. It's the Trump candle, the biggest, most magnificent candle on the stock market. The Trump candle, named after me, a winning candle.
Because all we do is win. Win, 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 win.
You're gonna get tired of winning.
He's like,
It's like, please, Mr. President, we're tired of
you see the meme? The meme for that when they had him saying that and then they show people's portfolios in the red. Oh my god.
Oh, that's hilarious. Mr. President, please stop. We're tired of. Oh my
Oh
god, that's
man.
fucking hilarious.
That was a good laugh. Oh, I needed that. That's so funny. So you're gonna say, Mr. President, we're tired of winning.
He's like, so what? We're gonna keep winning.
Oh man. Yes, sir. Boy, they almost made me close this mess out with that that drop. I'm not gonna hold you.
Mm.
I'm
Like I
not.
said, all I need is that target right there. I'm willing. That's it, baby. That's all I'm looking for. I'm even going. I'm staying up late. Dang, rest in peace to all the Bears, though, man. Like we can't say that enough. Like all the Bears, dude. They got hurt in this pump. I mean, their pain is our game right now. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Their pain is our gain. See, I'd rather. I'm way more comfortable sitting in this long than a short,
Mm-hmm.
and that's unfortunate because I used to like short in the market.
Mm. Come on, ES. You just need a couple more ticks, baby. Come on. I know you can do it.
I know,
I
right?
know you can do it.
Let's see where you at in your get your string. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Hey,
you're right there, baby.
don't be like last time where
You're
you
right there.
like you said you was getting out and then you stayed. I'm like, all right, I'm out. You out? No, I'm still
Nah, I'm still in.
left me.
I don't recall ever saying I was going to get out. Where'd you hear that from?
All right, rewind the tape. Rewind the tape. We need to go back to that stream. It was December. What year was it? Was it 25 or 24?
Why you still remember that, dude? It was 12 o'clock.
It was 12 p.m.
It was a summer breeze outside.
The slight Coriolis effect.
My wife and children were playing outside. I recall because I looked out the window. And then Sheriff said that he got out, but he was actually.
He thought I forgot, huh?
Oh my god.
He said, he said, why do you still remember that? Rutkit remembers. you, we remember. Those of us that were there.
Pepperidge Farm remembers.
Pepperidge Farm remembers. Oh man, I might have to. I mean, I'm,
Oh my god, ES. Come on, man. You don't have to be nasty like that, dude.
I'm pretty sure we get 200, but I think I want to front run it just in case. So I'll put 195 and then just in case it does run, I'll put one up at 220.
I just want to be vindicated.
I know they playing around right now.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, I'll be giving up 4 points if I try to trail this, but then this thing could probably come all the way back down. Come on, Bulls. We already clapped the Bears. Let's keep on clapping them. Come on, let's keep on clapping them, man. They come up out them buy stops. Come on, keep on clapping. Oh shit.
Really? Come on now.
Dude, like, yeah, I know, right? Like this random ass spot that you trying to short from. Like, come on,
They just trying to
Bears.
make it hard on us. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Make it difficult. Make them close. We'll print a red candle.
Make them close.
Come on. You can give us 10 points from the high. We can do it.
Man, I can't let this come all the way back though. Where's Price at? Man, I can't do that. I can't let him do that.
Be right there. Well, at least on NQ.
Mm,
ES is.
yeah, we're almost there. This thing is gonna drop though. Like this thing is for sure gonna drop. It's like we are not rotating higher.
It's
This
gonna
thing is gonna
drop.
drop. Once it hits one of them levels, we're gonna see a big ass drop. Like that's for sure. We just don't know what level it's gonna be yet.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. I tell you what, either we can call the cops or you can come in the back and get pickle whip. Which one? Which one you choose? Oh, come on, man. Ah, okay. Like I said, I can't move my stop back. Either the ES holds this, or either ES holds, or I get stopped out. I can't let this thing come back. Come on, ES. Come on. Come on, ES. Don't do this. Don't do this, ES. Think about all the good times that we've had. Think about that.
No way. Yeah, I got like a 32-point stop trailing. Ah, don't
Ah,
do it. No, I can't give up. Yeah, I can't do that.
okay.
Come on. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't. And they know we're gonna clear these levels. So why are you shorting right here? We ain't even at the spot yet. Ah,
Damn. Well, and I
you
hate
out?
when the ES does this BS. Dude, why not? Mm, yeah, you're gonna have to probably. Well, mm, okay. All right.
Oh man.
Okay. I guess that's it for me. I'm done. I'm not gonna trade no more. I'm not trading no more. I told ES. I took charge. I told ES, damn it, woman, you better get back above my damn break even and you better hit my damn target. She said, yes, daddy. That's exactly what I'll do. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, alright.
I wasn't. Only the haters would say that I was begging her. I was begging and pleading her, asking for mercy. Only the haters would say
Yeah.
that.
I didn't beg her for break even and said I'd get out.
Serenade her with the song, "Baby, come back." Tell her that she can blame it all on me. Yes, you better not. Damn it, you stop me out. You better keep on going down short.
No. No. Don't listen to him. Pump, ES, pump. We know you can do it. Cause I'm with the ES in this. We need in order for me to go, she gotta go.
Yeah, ES is the leader, the market leader at this point.
Oh my gosh, I can't do it though. If it I just can't. I can't give up the
Yeah,
and I know the Bears are gonna get smoked when the no, I can't. No. Whatever. Just leave the stop there. Don't touch it.
yeah. Don't pull it back. Don't pull it back, man. It's not worth it. We're kind of too high right now. We are above a level. I mean, shit. We're coming up into resistance, so we already know that
They're trying to
it's gonna
front.
get iffy up here.
Yeah, they're trying to front
Yeah.
run the main short.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Okay. There's no reason to revenge trade. There's no reason to try to get the money that we didn't realize back, unless it's gonna pop back up and hit our targets. That's a great reason to revenge trade.
Nah. You gotta go to bed. You gotta
Just playing.
just close the
Just
charts.
playing.
Close the charts,
Mm.
Sherm. Just
Well,
close the charts.
yeah, I'm about to get off because it looks like she's about to do exactly what. Spoke enough. We stopped Sherm out. If we push up higher, he's definitely going to revenge trade.
Yeah.
No. But all right, guys. I'm going to end my stream. Smith, are you going to keep going or what?
I'm seeing this thing through. My stop is right
All right.
there. My target's up top at 200, so I'm seeing it through.
Where's your stop at? Oh, okay, right there. 158.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'll stay on for. I'll stay on just like 11. That's it's not a big deal.
You want to see the results too. You got to see it through, man.
I think somebody was attacking my stop the other night. The last time we streamed, somebody was targeting my stop. The last time we streamed.
You go short and get 10 points on M and Q to my stop.
Yeah. Let's start the NQ and let's target Smith's stop. Dang, the market is just sitting still right now. I mean, on the book right now, the Bulls are dominating, but the Bears are slowly inching, slowly trying to step in, or at least the Bears or the Bulls are probably taking profits right now.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that freaking. Well, I guess I'm glad I kind of got out where I got out at because the ES is definitely dumping.
Well, looks like you're about to get your wish on my stop.
Wish. What? I mean, I'm pretty sure he'll push right back up. I'm pretty sure he'll push right back up after we got Sherm out. And now all we gotta do is get Smith and then super pump it.
I know, right? Here we go.
It just feels like the market just needs your stop. That's all it needs, and then after
and,
it gets it,
and then it's
that's all
ready.
the liquidity that it needs. Type shit.
Yeah.
It's just principle at this point. I just need your stop. I just need your stop.
Well, I'm not moving it. If it dies, it dies.
Is that how you feel tonight, Smith? Are you going to accept what happens and get some rest?
Yeah, I told you, like, I won't be able to be in the open tomorrow, which sucks. 'Cause that's where the best moves come from. But
Well, not lately, dude. I mean, yeah, if you got in at the open, yeah, but after that, that price action was pretty bad. If you tried chasing that short, you got clapped
yeah,
this morning. Well, I guess I'm glad I got out then.
damn, I probably should have took one off at the highs. 190. And then just left the one contract. God damn
Shit,
it.
yeah, you
Damn it. I'm done. No!
yeah, it actually
Fuck.
Stop filled.
Alright. We're ready now. We're ready to launch. They got me.
they got you.
Dang.
Yeah, the price actually rejected it, failed to break back above that put wall out 165. But we'll see what happens at 143, or if the market retests back down at 125. I'm pretty sure the market is. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Um, we was able to be a part of that move. That move hurt a lot of bears. Even though we was saying that it felt short, we stuck with our conviction and we stayed long, and
Yeah.
we got rewarded for that stubbornness.
Yeah.
Got rewarded. Just imagine if you try to chase it short and got your feelings hurt.
The bag was secured.
Yeah. Okay. All right, man. Well, all right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for us tonight. We appreciate everybody that joined us tonight. I guess I'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on chapping.
Peace. Yeah. Yep, that'll do it for me. It was a fun ride. I should have took one off the top right here, but it is what it is. See what tomorrow's opportunity brings. And yeah, appreciate everybody joining, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Peace out, everybody.
Peace.